HBAR breaking out of consolidation and signing a major partnership today. We're going to talk about that in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. And let's get into our video here. So Hedera HBAR has shown a ton of resilience here and has broken out of its consolidation, eyeing some further gains at this point. So we can see here sitting at about 37 cents. This thing has broken out from its low. It's definitely nice to see low here. We saw about 25 cents was that support level that we saw, and all the way up to we hit about the 39 cent area, which we know is a resistance. So let's jump over here and take a look at some of this technical analysis and such here. So broke out of the monthly long consolidation below that 33-cent level. We saw multiple failed breakout attempts from. This opens the door for further gains as long as the positive momentum continues. And HBAR's correlation to Bitcoin remains pretty strong at 0.88, indicating the altcoin's price movement is closely tied to Bitcoin's trajectory. Now, if that were a 1, so it's 0.88, if that were a 1, that would mean it was correlated to Bitcoin basically 100%. So this is very, very close at 0.88. It is a very strong correlation. The RSI for HBAR is nearing the overbought zone of 70, and this often is considered a precursor to a retracement or a price correction. But HBAR has historically shown resilience with this, and where RSI enters this territory. So even with the RSI at elevated levels, we could still see it, the broader market sentiment and historical performance provide a cushion against immediate bearish pressure. So we could potentially see this thing continue. We've seen coins continue to run well into the overbought territory. So it surged nearly 20% in the past 24 hours, breaking out of its consolidation range between 25 and 33 cents, setting the stage for further gains. And the next major resistance with HBAR lies at 39 cents, which we saw. We saw it jump up to 39 cents, and it did come back down just slightly. So we're going to monitor this this current level very closely. Let's jump over. We're going to take a look at the current news, and this is something new that's come out here today. HBAR's blockchain welcomes $3 billion tokenization of diamonds and luxury items on their blockchain. Issuing digital certificates, the World Gemological Institute, or the WGI, aims to monetize the diamond industry by ensuring transparency, authentication, and security. Excuse me, sorry about that, guys. I'm getting really hoarse for some reason. They will receive blockchain certificates ensuring immutable verification of their authenticity, provenance, and ownership. So this is really cool. This is something that they are going to be, making sure, because they have to address fraud prevention, right? I read a little bit of this as well. So this is just adds another layer of fraud prevention. They're going to laser etch token IDs into assets similar to existing diamond report numbers. Additionally, the certified items will be sealed with NFC chips. In the case of any attempt to tamper with them, the digital certificate stands canceled, and customers can authenticate their products by scanning the chip with a smartphone, thereby giving strong protection across the supply chain. So that's something that they always have to, watch, because there is a lot of counterfeit diamonds and things that are out there. But unless you are a certified professional, I'm going to call them a diamondologist. I don't even know if that's a thing, but unless if you're certified to look for these things, then you would be aware. But any normal person out there, unless, like I said, if they have something to scan, or there's somewhere to somehow the ability to verify, that takes away the need for any kind of a professional to certify your diamonds for you. And in that case, do you trust them? Right. So it comes down to that. So, big partnerships are happening here with HBAR, and, it's starting to really show with the price action as well. Definitely we are moving up in the right direction, and hopefully 2025 is going to be a big year for HBAR, in my opinion. I think that this thing just keeps moving up, now in the top 15 now in the top 15 of cryptocurrencies in the world. HBAR is definitely positioned for, a major move this year. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Obviously, none of this is financial advice whatsoever. This is just my thoughts, my opinions, my research, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.